Welcome to Mic'd Up with Mike, where we introduce you to TOA products and solutions. I'm Mike from TOA Canada's Technical Department. Today we're going to talk about the IR-800 Classroom Kit. TOA manufactures the IR-800 Classroom Voice Lift System that enhances student learning by taking the teacher's voice and distributing it evenly and clearly throughout the classroom. Let's have a look at the system. The IR-800 Classroom Kit comes with everything you need in one box. The kit consists of your tuner, speaker, microphones and chargers, even all the cables. System connections are easy. Simply connect the provided Cat5 cable to the RJ45 jack on the tuner to the RJ45 jack on the ceiling speaker. The system offers a variety of microphones, from teacher neck-worn microphones to student handheld microphones. Audio is transmitted from the microphones to the speaker through the infrared ring. Let's take a look at some additional connections. On the back panel we see 3.5mm jacks for PC or MP3 connections, as well as RCA connections for DVD or TV connections. We have a 3-band equalizer and a 25-volt mute line. On the front panel we have another 3.5mm jack for assisted listening devices. All levels can easily be controlled using the front panel control knobs. When the microphones are switched on, the LED indication will show that the mic is active. When using the microphone around the neck, be sure to use the cinching mechanism to bring the microphone up to chest height for optimal sound quality and pickup. A few key benefits of the IR-800 Classroom Kit that sets it apart from other systems is the ceiling speaker offers a wide dispersion that is second to none. For integrators, installation is very simple as all equipment comes in one box. It offers minimal downtime and minimal disruption to classrooms, as installation can be done in less than an hour. For more information on this product and other products, check out our website at toacanada.com.